everyone, and welcome back to Campus Talk Live. I'm Amina as the moderator, and here we have Shakila as the solver, Della as the speaker one, and Aida as the speaker two. Today, we're discussing something that almost every student uses every day, TikTok. But instead of talking about trends and viral dances, we're asking a more serious question. Can TikTok really help students learn English, or is it just another distraction? Today, we'll share opinions, discuss advantages and disadvantages, challenge different ideas politely, and finally, offer some practical solutions. So let's jump right into it. Della, let me start with you. Many students now use TikTok to learning vocabulary, pronunciation, and speaking skills. Do you really think that it is effective?
Honestly, yes. I think TikTok is one of the easiest way to learn English naturally. The videos are short, interesting, and easy to understand. And people even can learn daily expressions, pronunciations, and speaking skills from native speakers. For example, I've learned several useful phrases and pronunciation tips from English creators online. And honestly, it feels more fun than studying from textbooks.
So for you, TikTok makes learning more enjoyable and uh, so for you, TikTok makes learning more enjoyable and I forgot.
You're gonna kind of
So for you, TikTok makes learning more enjoyable and realistic.
exactly yes, because it feels more like real communication rather than formal studying.
Interesting perspective. Now let's hear it from Aida. Do you agree with that opinion?
Well, from my opinion, while perhaps it is true that TikTok can help students uh, improve their English skills, but I think it can also become a very distracting things for them, for the students. For example, students may use TikTok to study English, and then after a few minutes they can start watching a entertainment videos rather than educational content, which can make them get sidetracked, so they won't study anymore. So yes, while educational content do exist, but I think self-control is still a very huge problem for the students. Um, and I'm not really sure that every student can stay focused while using social media as a form of learning.
That's true. TikTok can easily distract people. Dela, what's your response to that concern?
I'm so sorry, Ida, but I see your point. But I think the real problem is not the the real problem is how the way people use TikTok, not the platform itself. Because if people or students use or follow, if people or students follow educational creators and manage their screen time wisely, I think TikTok can still be a usable learning tool.
Well, that may be true there, but don't you think that students are more interested in um, entertainment videos rather than educational content?
Mm, sometimes yes, but a lot of people already spend a lot of time on social media anyway. So I think instead of avoiding TikTok completely, we should encourage them to use it more productively.
That's actually a very realistic point. Okay, so now let's talk about the pros and cons more specifically. Aida?
Well, sure. One advantage is that TikTok can help students hearing a authentic English accent and real life conversation from a educational content in their videos. But I think there is still some content, somewhere in online that is inaccurate or uses some slang without explanation and without a context, so it can lead students to confusion. So I think students really need to be careful of what they learn online.
I agree. Students still need critical thinking and reliable learning sources.
Great discussion so far. Now let's move to the solution section. Shakila, what do you think students should do?
Well, to solve this problem, students should use TikTok in a balanced way, and TikTok should support not support learning and not replace it. And the best solution is combining TikTok with other learning methods like reading, writing, and speaking practice. And students should follow educational creators and limit their screen time.
That sounds very practical.
You need to find a way for learning English more interesting and interactive. Okay.
Before we end today's discussion, let's hear one final message from our solver.
I think we should use social media or wisely. Technology can become powerful learning tool. And I hope you and considering TikTok is not just for entertainment but for educational. So I hope you agree with my opinion because learning English uh, more learning English is not just in classroom but in anywhere.
What an interesting discussion! Today we learned that TikTok can both help and distract students depending on how they use it. It offers fun and accessible learning opportunities, but students still need but students still but students still needs discipline and balance. Thank you to all our speakers today for sharing your opinions, and thank you for everyone watching. This has been Campus Talk Live. See you later and keep learning wherever you go.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Guys,
Yeah.
sebelum kita
Okay.